Welcome aboard, guys. It's been a long time not uploaded any video on YouTube channel, so I thought I thought it's the right time to upload new video on board. So, are you guys ready? Okay, let's get started. This is not a regular video in the series of book that we are completing from the last few days. Nemra Sunda, the book name we all know that who are following from newly or following from the long time, so they know what series is going on our channel. So let's get started, I think. Okay, so today's topic is the type of soil that we have in India. So we'll cover this topic one by one. Soil, there are the certain type of soils in this topic, so we'll cover one by one according to this. What would be the sequence? So topic is that soils of India. Soils of India. I hope you guys will enjoy a lot. So we'll cover one soil and at a time. So okay. So there are the eight type of soil in India we have according to the ICR. According to ICR, there are eight type of soil we have in India. Okay, by who we are follow this by ICR. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just check my phone. Okay, you are free. Okay, no, right time I'm recording. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so there are the eight type of soil that we have in India's case. So what eight types these are the. Let me just before going into these types. So first I want to tell just one additional information that is uh, in India how much area we have. The area of in India is that 28.8 million hectare. Okay, ultimately we can guess as an approximate of 329 million hectare that the million hectares because of agriculture we have million hectare is the important unit that keep to remember. Okay, all right, this is the area of India. So there are the certain you can may refer for the deeper one, latitude and longitude as well, but I don't think so there is a need to be described here, right? Okay, so there are the eight type of soil that we have in India in according to in case of the ICR. So first soil that we have that is very important. We are going to cover that is the alluvial soil. All right. Okay. Right. Okay. Alluvial soil. Let's get this one on board. What is the alluvial soil? Okay. So alluvial soil is formed by the process is alluvial. Alluvia, alluviation, alluviation. Are you thinking about that process? That is the note that we already discussed. The process is different. The process by which is formed is that alluviation. Okay, let me just describe the few things before goes to these technical terms. So formed by we can keep it very simple. So let me just try to make it very simple. Formed by the process of alluvium. What is the alluvium is? Alluvium is the material that is you can simply say is a type of sediment. Any kind of sediment that can be sand, silt, clay, and kind of rock. Any material that is carried out by the water, river water that is going through with the flow and deposit somewhere. So that material, that sediment is known as alluvium. Okay, the soil formed by the alluvium, that soil is known as the alluvial soil. I hope it's clear to you. Alluvial soil is formed by the alluvium. Alluvium is what? This is the material that is deposited by the river water, that the flow of uh, water that is happen in river, in lake, in not lake, river mostly that it is happen. So alluvium is that material. So by that, in that in okay, just give me a second. My mom is saying something. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let me just. So alluvium is the material or sediment that is deposited by water. So by alluvium, that soil is formed that is known as the alluvial soil. All right. Okay. Dominant clay mineral. So let me just write on board. Dominant, dominant, dominant clay mineral. Dominant clay mineral. Dominant clay mineral is what? Is elite. I think you are aware with this elite. Okay, sorry. I think you are aware with this elite. This is the silicate clay mineral. It is a secondary kind of mineral. There are, we already discussed so many times, 2-1 type, 1-1 type. So this is the 2-1 type basically. This is the dominant silicate mineral found in dominant condition in the soil, in alluvial soil. All right. So dominant clay mineral in alluvial soil is that elite. Cool. I hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the next third thing what we have. Most productive soil and most fertile soil in India's case. Okay, this is the most productive. Most productive, most productive or most fertile. Most fertile soil in India's case. So this is the best soil in India's case, we can simply say. So most productive or most fertile soil in India's case. Okay, what the remaining things need to know us. So another thing is that all nutrient are available in this. All nutrient are available in this except what we do not have in the soil, that is nitrogen and organic matter. The nutrient that we do not have in the soil, that is nitrogen. That is the most important one, right? So that's the reason why we do supply too much nitrogen by the urea in the soils that we have in UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. So there is a reason why they are lacking in particular in that particular nutrient. Okay, so that is the reason. All right, I hope it's clear. This soil is a fulfill in all kind of nutrients except the nitrogen and the organic matter. Cool. So highest area is recorded. This data may be the changed according to the new version, but you may check it by on the sites or on and any of the new modern or new edition book that you have, you can refer to that. But according to last one that I read, there was the 113 million hectare. 113 million hectare is the area of alluvial soil in India. All right. This is important. If we will see in the ratio of 229 million hectare, this is too much in that case. Like you can simply refer, it's a half, 42 to 45% in between it hold, right? Alluvial soil. Okay, what are the other things that we need to know? Dominant soil odor. Okay, we already discussed about the silicate clay mineral. Dominant silicate mineral is elite. Let me just clarify. There is a confusion that maybe can create for the students. Dominant silicate mineral. Dominant silicate mineral is elite and dominant soil order. Dominant soil order is that inseptisol. I and I, you can remember by this trick. Inseptisol. Tisol. Okay. And the second dominant soil order is that antisol. Is that clear to you, guys? Okay. Dominant silicate mineral is that elite and dominant soil order is that inseptisol. Or second, if they ask you, then you may go for the antisol. I hope it's clear to you. Soil order are 12 in the number that is different and silicate mineral are different that we already covered. Cool. There are the two kind of alluvial soil we have. Two types that simply you can refer that one is Khadar, then second one is Bangar. Okay, there are two type of soil that we have. Alluvial soil, two type of alluvial soil that are generally found in India. Khadar is refers to the newly developed alluvial soil. Newly developed soil Alluvial soil. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Just give me. My brother is coming. Cool.